Configuring cron jobs on Plesk is a straightforward process that allows you to automate tasks on your server. To start, log into your Plesk control panel and navigate to the Tools and Settings section. From here, click on Scheduled Tasks to access the cron job configuration page. In this section, you can view existing cron jobs and create new ones. To create a new cron job, click on the Add Task button. You will be prompted to enter the command you want to run, the frequency at which it should run, and the user who should run it. The command can be any executable script or command line instruction, such as a PHP script or a system command. The frequency at which the cron job runs is specified using a 5-field format, where the fields represent minute, hour, day, month, and day of the week, respectively. For example, if you want a cron job to run every day at 2 a.m., you would enter 02 **** in the frequency field. It is also important to specify the correct user to run the cron job, as this determines the permissions and environment under which the command is executed. Typically, you will want to run cron jobs under the same user as your website or application. Once you have entered the command, frequency, and user, click the OK button to save the cron job. The cron job will now be scheduled to run at the specified frequency. You can also edit or delete existing cron jobs by clicking on the corresponding buttons. Best practices for configuring cron jobs include testing the command manually before scheduling it, using absolute paths to files and scripts, and logging output to a file to monitor execution. Additionally, be mindful of the system resources required by your cron jobs, as excessive usage can impact server performance. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively configure cron jobs on Plesk to automate tasks and streamline your server management. This can help improve efficiency, reduce manual labor, and enhance overall system reliability.